video, I'll show you the reporting capabilities of the Concentric Survey Manager Indirect Survey application. I've got some survey open here, and I'm assuming that I've already made any corrections that I need to or adjustments in the data, so I'm ready to run my report and deliver the final product to my customer. So if I go up to Tools, Run Reports, I get a selection of different reports that I might run. I could choose the Comments and Objects report, the Exceptions report, the Inversion report, or the Chart PDF. I personally like the Chart PDF because it's the most interesting, I think. And what I've got here is a series of configuration choices for this particular report. It's really quite customizable. I can choose the logo that appears on the report. I can put various information down here in the footer and then choose whether or not to include the footer. I can choose to include a header and add header information as here as well. A cover page with the orientation chosen, whether it's portrait or landscape. I'll say to include the logo on the cover page. And then lastly is the report pages. And the report pages actually has two tabs. The first are the general settings, where I choose the orientation of each page, whether or not I'd like the map to be in the report at all, or whether I want it to be on a separate page or below the chart. I'll choose the chart. Where I want the comments to be, whether I want them to be below the chart, on the chart, or none, I'll choose on the chart, and I'll choose blue as my color. And then there are other options as well over here that you can certainly explore at your leisure. Lastly are the chart and map options. So I can choose whether or not to auto-scale the pages, the y-axis interval, and the y-axis or x-axis range. In this case, I've left it at its default of 1,000 feet. Now when I'm ready, I click Submit, and it's going to generate the report. And while it's generating the report, I'm going to open up my email, because once the report is finished, it will email me a link. In fact, that's what this message right here says. The link is good for 24 hours. And if I need to generate the report again later on, I can. So I look at my email here, and what I see is that I've got a new report created. Click on that, and it opens up a PDF. And you can see that all of my options are the way that I wanted them. The map and the graph are all on one page, and the comments are actually on the graph itself. And then each of these graphs is 1,000 feet in length.